Today we're doing the HKS H-Power 409 exhaust install on my 1999 Mitsubishi Evo 6. Then I'm just breaking some of the bolts loose on all the brackets holding in the exhaust. And a couple are holding themselves in there pretty good, but just breaking them all loose, going down the line. And then we're coming in and breaking all the bolts loose, and they're really crusty. I don't know how long this exhaust has been on there. Realistically, we're changing the exhaust because the muffler decided to lose all of its internals, broke some bolts in the process, but we've got replacement bolts for all of it, so it doesn't really matter. I have no idea what the previous exhaust setup was. It didn't have any branding on what brand it was. I got one of the hangers loose and had to get my buddy that was in the shop help me take the muffler off. He had an Evo 6.5 TME, and I liked it a lot. Got the old exhaust out. The catalytic converter was really hard to break off, but got that done in a later time. And then I was missing a clip for the mid pipe install and the test pipe, but it's basically just replace where you took off, essentially. Tightening down everything and putting all the bolts in place. Working on getting all the bolts in and hand tight, and then I'm going to come back through and make sure everything is tightened. And then, of course, when you do a new exhaust install, you got to wipe it down, make sure you get all the fingerprints off so it doesn't burn in. With this type of coating, I'm not sure if it would actually have any fingerprints on it, but might as well. We're here. It's up on a lift. It's not like I'm crawling around trying to get to wiping it down. Pull the little saran wrap off, the bubble wrap off. Got to get the pictures. Probably the last time the exhaust gets seen. Getting her off the lift so I can start her up. Starting her up for the first time. Really smooth sounding, a little bit deeper growl. And then we're gonna get, since I got a lift going on, I'm gonna raise it back up, check for exhaust leaks. Here's the exhaust sound from before. Figured give a visual representation with a decibel reader for both previous setup and the new setup. Sorry about the decibel reader not being able to read very good. I wrote it on the screen so that you can follow along without being able to actually see it. Sounds with an external recorder. Note this isn't what it sounds like from the outside. There's a microphone on the trunk piped into an external audio recorder. Here's the internal sound with the GoPro audio. sound comparisons afterwards as well.